Overall, if you consider there is going to be larger benefits for the SMEs. I mean, they will unleash the valuation in the medium to long term, and they are going to create a very good wealth creation for the promoters as well as all the investors and the stakeholders. And SMEs, I mean, they are the backbone of the economy, and they are going to play a very significant role if our economy has to grow. I mean, at 9% or about 10% in the 21st century. And these SMEs have potential to contribute to the economy in a larger way. And we at a BSE, we have a vision for wealth creation by the SME through financial inclusive growth, and our mission is to create a world-class platform where we bring the SMEs and all the class of investors together and help the SMEs raise the equity capital. And at BSE, I mean, for last 1 year we have been having detailed debates on the type of platform we are going to build for the SMEs. And Bombay Stock Exchange is a 137-year-old exchange. It has seen the entire transformation of the capital markets in the country over about 1.5 centuries, and it is one of the it is the oldest exchange in Asia also. Considering the experience that the Bombay Stock Exchange have, and there is no point reinventing the wheel, so what we have done is we are leveraging our equity platform. Our bold system is going to be used for the trading in SMEs, also listed SMEs. The listed SMEs will be put in a group called M group, and trade to trade scripts will be put in MT group. And instead of shares, the lots are going to be traded because there has to be minimum 1 lakh investment in the SMEs. And the market timings will be same that of the market hours. And any odd lots that are there, there is a odd lot window in the bold system, which can be invoked and the shares can be sold to the market makers. This way, actually, I mean, whatever the existing infrastructure that is there, spread across the country, the nook and corner of the country, the same can be used from day one for investing in SMEs and secondary market trading. And no, there is no need of any investment by the members of the exchange or sub-brokers in the infrastructure. And SEBI has already have, merchant bankers empaneled with the SEBI, category 1 merchant bankers. All these merchant bankers can bring the IPO on the SME exchange. And as far as market making is concerned, I have already explained the members with minimum 3 years experience and a minimum net worth of 5 crores. They can be considered for market making. They need to give an undertaking to the stock exchange, and we are going to empanel them. Here, as far as SME exchange is concerned, when the regulations have come last year, there were a lot of apprehensions in the market to begin with. We had held extensive discussions with the market intermediaries, with merchant bankers and the large members of the Bombay Stock Exchange. We have been taking their feedback very regularly. And we have to get into much detail to understand the regulations and how it can work in the market context. We have formulated our own strategies. We had one-to-one interactions as well as larger seminars with these market intermediaries, and it has paid off. Most of the merchant bankers, except top few merchant bankers, most of the merchant bankers are already working on the SMEs for listing them on the SME exchange. And the members of the Bombay Stock Exchange, we have a lot of experience and already done some market making in the derivatives. Many of them have understood how the market making will work and how it is going to help with the liquidity of the scripts and how it is going to give them an opportunity to earn the fees like the merchant banker out of issue expenses. That has been understood by them, and they are forthcoming. They are very positive about it, and we already got more than 20 members ready for market mix. And by the time we launch the exchange, this number is going to grow into a much bigger number.